Boom, ya come, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go on your son.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Ain't after me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend or something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day. Can you say for the one next day? Go on here, you come, you left here and you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place.
Yes, mommy? Yes, mommy? May I come? Yes, mommy?
Eat anything from morning?
No, mommy.
So you need from morning? Me I want bologna sandwich, so you can eat it and drink it and ensure when you're ready. Abby.
Yeah.
The fridge you want clean and when you're done you clean out the fridge. The stove, you know your stove.
Abby.
And look around and me I want to my around about. Use the and dust down your furniture and things. And if your sister want any little thing, you can make sure you get something to eat and share. Just pull something for your sister now. You know your share ask you.
So she could have waited till you done that, mommy.
Hello, just pull something for your sister. And remember when I tell you if you do, may I go down the road and come back and spend I think 15 minutes. You hear me say?
Crystal, you can go feed some brother back for me, please.
Go and pay her your food. You can go feed yourself.
From morning in the kitchen, I do enough things. Me I tidy up a room, girl. I'm just send her for the fab. And you behave so? Is that alright, Crystal? Me go feed myself. Alright.
Yeah, drink Lucas, you do. You do everything when me ask you to do in the house?
Yes, mommy. I clean out the fridge, wipe down the stove, and I wipe down the furniture. Them. Do everything what you asked me to do already.
Where your sister there?
Me no know, you're supposed to get somewhere in there, so.
Oh, call her for me.
Alright, mommy. And them something you up here are going with. Give me this.
No, Abby, give me my phone. No, Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that. Abby, give me my phone. You can't do that.
Relax yourself, child. Relax yourself. Relax. You're not strong on me. Crystal. But wait there. And them you see here, you do?
Give me my phone, man. I'm a private business. Give me my phone.
Make a screenshot this. You see, anyhow, me ever beg you do something, and you refuse to do it, or you talk to me no wrong way, girl, me go show mommy this. Cause this man when beg you go for fab. I hear you talk to me, and then I something you up here so I do. Hey, all this. Anyways, mommy, I call you, so come on.
Here you, mommy.
I was smashing. Come here, I want to talk to you. We go up by passport place, you know, so you finish your side paperwork, right? And by form, you see police record and school history. So when we want to make you know, we don't want you get in no trouble. You understand me? Try to avoid certain argument, even if I am figure where you're right, and take for them wrong. Because you want if you pick everything to go through and you go over stay with your father, and you understand me? And things. So just to try to no argument with nobody, just stay put. You're my daughter, I love you. And you're pretty young. I don't want you to end up in a certain situation. Right? I know you're going to end up get pregnant. You know why you feel think about no boy. Focus on your schoolwork. You understand me? And you see, even you get the chance and go to America, a lot of opportunity over there. You understand me? You have to just know and just do the right. Right? Another time for no boy. How will you look for around this? So? Nobody around it. Me say, you know, if you have no boy in your head.
I'm not interested in no boy. I have no boyfriend. Yeah, focus on my schoolwork. But I'm not gonna lie. Look like I will have one boyfriend because she borrow me from my ex-boy.
Wagwan Abby, how you look so
stressed out.
I said that show up on me. I don't know nothing too tough though. I'm just there and make you say life stress out. It's stressing when you're ready, yeah, girl. But then anything, I don't know nothing tough though, but where you go by the way?
You know, so I done the shop, I go buy 2 pounds of chicken and I go run a boat and something. If I anything you can call me, I text me, because my number not change.
Yeah, girl, me do that.
So look more, me will see you.
Alright, girl.
Alright.
Abby!
Yeah?
Come here. Let me talk to you about, I know you feel say you come in age of consent now. I don't want Crystal a little girl. I don't want you draw Crystal in nothing way you do. You understand what I say?
I want me involve Crystal in the money.
No bother with the excitement. Only thing I tell you, don't involve Crystal in your man going in. Tell me something. You know borrow a phone and then I text man and I send picture. Go give man.
Me, mommy?
You say nothing bother with the excitement. Take time. Me I talk to you. You know use our phone and text man. I send man picture, I don't understand. No involve him in your man. Because remember, you come and feed, so I can't tell you what you do now, you know. Because you're a big man now. But you know, I tell you this, don't bring her in a hit. You hear me I say to you? Hello? You hear what I say?
Yes, man.
Right.
So what a girl wicked man. No, sir. Crystal. Alright, me know me I go do. Alright, Crystal. the phone for girl?
Because it come like, you know what I feel if I want to feel. So I have to hide it.
No, girl, we're good. Girl, we're a sister, we cannot live so. So, I go delete the screenshot them. I'm gonna go by the show mommy. So, the secret safe with me. Oh, girls, me get some last year. I know you love them, so here.
Oh, really, sis? Really? Thanks.
So, sis, who the boy there you talk to?
I'm a boyfriend.
Eh?
Yeah.
See, you ever seen it?
Yeah.
So, how me don't know about that?
Girl, I never choose to tell you.
Oh. Anyways, I can invite him over because I like to meet my brother-in-law.
You mad girl? I can't make him come. You must see my mom kill me.
No, girl, no worry about that. I got you covered. You're my sister and I'm not going to make nothing happen to you. And which part Mama going now, she not come back for now. So, just call him and make me meet him so you can see him and him just come quick and then he can go back.
You sure, girl?
Yes, sister, I know I got you back. Just text him and make him forward.
Aye.
Mommy, the JPS man, them coming up. And I said them come fit cut off your light. How may I tell them say I wrong place them that them still a come. Them still a talk about I right place. Yeah, you have to come country. Come fast.
Crystal. 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 Come here.
You can't come in, go stand in on left out out there, so. I want your sister-in-law.
That's it.
Anyways, I'm so come here. I'm going to sit around here and come back here.
Yeah.
Alright.
Boom, ya come, get up.
I want to go. Abby! I want to go on your son.
Mommy, I'm glad you come catch her.
Who him? Who you be? What happened, so? Start talk now.
A Crystal boyfriend.
Crystal boy, who?
Crystal boyfriend.
No, me no be.
Introduce yourself, brother-in-law.
So, Crystal, you really out of yourself and carry man in a yard. Eh? And for me talk to you other day, little girl about boyfriend and something, you're not ready for that yet. You pass your place. Young man, you catch me on a good day. Can you say for the one next day? Go on here, you come, you left here and you come in a piece, so I make you left here in a piece. Don't come back on my place. You, and for me talk to you other day, I tell you about now, man, you're not ready for that yet. You're still out of yourself and carry man coming here. Eh? You don't understand your little girl.
You see it now, mommy? She come and tell you one bag of something about have man and you believe in all these things. And see it there? You catch an innocent princess. You catch her. Anyways, explain yourself to mommy, me gone. Can't bother.
You know what? Me deal with you later. Give me your phone. Go in our house. You know, Star, no matter how you talk to them and pick me these last days, they nah, you don't make no sense what you tell them. You could have preached to them like John Paul. They not take no telling. Oh man. It's non JPS man. Yeah. Abby!
Nursing school, no one going up. Yeah. Even though mommy don't have no money, I go try my best to get one nice job and sum up some money to go nursing school.
And that race don't actually stress yourself about.
You mean when we did under the tree over the Saturday?
Yes, girl.
Oh girl, a different thing I think about. There's a lot on my plate right now. But we'll get some water. Watch your girl. No water no there. I look how far we walk come up here so no water no there.
That tile so but look like rain go fall.
Come on, girl.
Yes?
You know someone asked us something?
Where you want? From the other day, me vex with you, you know. But me not ready to deal with it yet, you know. But what you want?
I have no all accoutrements.
No all what?
Accoutrements.
What you call accoutrements?
Like when you get cut, man. Like when your hand get cut.
Oh, you mean the first aid kit?
Yeah.
What you want to do?
Me have my school project for them.
Oh, see the in I cupboard but underneath, down in my bottom base, you'll find in there.
Aye.
Come here. Crystal, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. You hear me I tell you? I don't like the video haga you know. I don't like it. And you probably feel say me not love you. Me love you, me your mother. You understand me I say? So when me talk to you and make you know say you're not ready for no boy. You don't need that right now. You understand me? You don't want that, you're not ready for that. You only go mash it. You know, you see other day what you do, I try to make me feel, you know, I disrespect me feel so bad. If you know say you carry man come in here after me talk to you day in, day out, Crystal. You see that one time down? Mash you down, wicked, no matter police that police that run. I tell you. So hear me I say, when me talk to you, when you listen what me I say, I feel your own good, and not hurt you, me not kill you.
Alright, me not do it again. But other day when the guy come here, because of Abby. Because Abby say want to see him and she my big sister. Yes. And she is why did all the company veranda. We never do nothing bad.
So that means to say other day when he called me and tell me about JPS. No, Gus.
And as the boy came, same time you come.
This is what me I say. When our sister, you don't feel like loving, you know, can't live. So I will talk to Abby. Because me see where all of this I come from, you know. Me talk to her and you just make me stay right here, so no go no further with it. If anyhow, none of you do nothing more in here, you know, me go mash you down. So the other one I go take heed. You hear me say? Go and go do your project. Why Abby said to me, sister. Jesus Christ. And not even one me have, you know, two and something. Father God, only you one know, only you alone know God when you go through. No, sir.
Get back everything can done. We probably say something. Oh, the time.
Them still in there sleeping. And girl, Raina, ease up here now. We are going to run go before you come back down.
And that I want to do. So I'll be walking different with you now.
What you mean? What you talking about?
Because I see what you up to sit down and I choose, so I just have to ask I want to you.
You see, if you see mommy come, just tell me. Girl, that's some things me I think about. Like, I think about my life, everything, how mommy treat me. Girl, I think mommy prefer Crystal over me. I not fear think them something there, because that's not good for me or whatever. But I just feel say she rather Crystal over me because she treat Crystal better than me. She give her princess treatment and one bag of something, girl. If something for do in her house, and me. And Crystal sit down there. Now do nothing. I want bag of something. Girl, I don't know. I just fed up. Girl, some reasoning I see mommy I give Crystal. She not give me them type of reasoning there. A road me have to go and hear when people talk certain things and know as a big girl. Me I tell her, mommy treat me different, girl.
My girl, I really this year stress over you in her school or something.
Girl, come home before the rain come back down. Better me never see nothing to her. That's why people not keep friendly now. Abi. Yes, mommy. Me, I go kill her.
Look at girl, you me a talk to you now. I bet me tickling one take one stone and bust in head. And me say if you do what me tell you do in your house already.
We can't do nothing in my piece.
Are you me a talk to you now, little girl?
Yeah, me say me do it already.
So how you suck up your teeth, man? Who you suck up your teeth, man? Look at girl, if I lick you, you just drop short and get up back tall. You hear me have to tell you, don't ramp with me. So you say you, go on, man, go on.
Yeah, but then, man, when did me carry so much? You know what, me text my sister.
Kayla. Kayla.
Me a come.
Me a go in the town and come back. If you really not come, lock up your house. But that's not gonna make your place wet up. And close the pan the line. Right? Next thing, if your bad breed sister come here, I don't want her in my room. You hear what me say?
Yes, me hear what you say.
Okay.
Girl, she gone, I can't come now. So you say girl, she gone? Alright then. You know what? Give me about 15 minutes, may I come. So you see I go on now, girl, cause you know how mommy she touch your hand. But we did want to come here when she there. I wear something about man, but she load up her mouth and baby most way. Girl, don't worry about mommy, huh? Me say, but before mommy go away, she a go say, I hope me not make my bad breed sister come here and go in her room. I saw mommy she love chat, but she can't tell me that kind. Anyway, me feel for go me and go, you know. So you see I go and know, sis, I pray for you.
I not even know, because right now I'm here bored and stressed. And that's why I call you. I wonder if you know no place where we can go. Because see mommy are gone. I'm not even think she'll come back.
I said, do me have one spot we could go ahead and go and guest house. Me I tell her, say, up I guest house, nice, you know, girl, they have pool, bar, you know, all of the little things there.
That sound boring though, sis. But since it's a guest house, all I do, get some people and go over there and enjoy also.
But you know, yeah, girl, you know, see, right, do I think. I'm supposed to can make one and two link and get somebody, you know, because for sure if I told you I'm going to go boring, see who me can get to work.
You know, so I'm not getting the money now.
What you mean you not get the money? So when you tell me say you not get the money, brother, I can't deal with them something here, no man. Eh? You can't bother.
Don't know, man. Me tell you what go on, man. Remember say yesterday the labor day, you know, so could the money send but I could get for college because holiday yesterday, isn't it?
Watcha, me not even know myself either, you know. Never know a thing.
I'm busy. You all today, so tomorrow thing that, isn't it?
What you say, tomorrow?
Yeah, man, not the on my agenda tomorrow still. You know, so. Man, we can go on tomorrow. Man.
Alright.
Girl, see some of them I text back, you know. They might still one of them I say, give me all care buckle. And the rest of them I text back right now. People they like them willing to come, girl.
Alright, sis, it's like how them interested. Go we just go for the guest house. By the way, how far from here to the guest house there?
The guest house not that far, girl. Like, just one little walk, you know, far.
Alright then. Can we just go up there and set the office set up? Because you know, say I know a lame party we are going to keep.
Yeah, man, alright, how we do
Alright,
that?
sis.
So, girl, they really think that Jay will come picture you? Girl, once I invite Jay, will come.
And what's so special about Jay?
Girl, you know how long me have a crush on him. And I just know her from a long time. You know, so you can't do anything, you know. So, you know,
Just don't let the condom, yeah, girl.
you know, sir. Nah,
Condom! Hey, I want see. Hey, you sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Where you go? Sit down. Nobody run now. Cause you never get from me. No. Where you do ya? Oh, yo, shut up. Where you do ya? You see you're not no manners, you know. And let me tell you something. Me should come here and see you know. Because guess what? You choose, you know, come here so. So me don't know where you come here and do. Turn around and look for me talking to you. And you choose not to come here so. You choose for left here so.
I go and me did I go away. I Kayla, me care something come later for me did I leave. Right? But still I see me go left your place. Kayla, you really see me, you really talk on the phone.
Sit down there so. Boy, you go. Where you go? Where you go? You feel say you're no big man? What kind of party we not talk about and condom and all type of stuff? I want you start talk. I feel say you can't trick me no crayfish brain. Start talk.
Alright, mommy. I'm going to tell you the truth. I want to prank with your plan for TikTok.
Yes, girl, I did one plan with that prank with you, mommy. See, if we connect
See phone here.
I did just one little prank something with you. Yes, for sure, I did one TikTok video with you and make one little prank something.
Yeah, mommy.
I never nothing like where you come and think.
What you say now? Cause today me I go broadside one hour now. What you say? You come for drop off sitting. No a TikTok video now make up in your mind. What?
I something me come to go and drop off true. I something me come to go and drop off to Kayla and you know.
This yeah. No tell me no lie.
But me not tell no lie.
Let me tell you something. You see before me damage you and me do you something in here to the little girl. Give me a phone. Where phone there?
Kayla, where's that the phone there?
What ya? What ya? The phone dead. The phone just dead, mommy. The phone dead.
You sit down there, so. Me you call for your father and tell him everything when me hear. You see all of my plan there what uno say uno make, it not happen because you mash up. And me tell you something, you see, give me as a matter of fact, where on the phone, give me them. Give me. You think me idea about phone dead and all these things. Actually me don't know about them phone here, you know. That's why I take me for papi show. But here what uno brain no big enough for me.
Girl, I don't know what she got with the phone. Girl, I'll go check her with him to tell him to come now. Jesus. I don't know what we are going to do. Girl?
You should come in. You should come in.
Yes, people, you know, say the last of the movie. And
Hope you enjoy it and make sure you
Like and subscribe
and share the
big up
video.
on yourself so we can get more to it. Please, I want you know say I know she not no baby. She not no man, you know.
yeah.
Anyway, I'm like baby them
Bye,
and still.
guys.
Thank you for watching.
Just give me a second, I don't know who I call me, them I was on night. How with it? So this man I know say different times. He that hang up though. Me call him back. I know me send her money already, so I can't money him call me back for ask about her now. And he knows say different time. I call her back.
Hello. You know, you feel like saying not me that beg you know. And you pitney me did I call you about.
What happened with that? What happened with that? What happened?
The other day me come in and she and the other sister, the other one, I chat about party and boyfriend and condom and me if you just come in and mash up his seize them phone and them something there. You understand me?
So, sis, what do you think I going to happen when she call the father?
But me not too worry now because me know what will happen. She will call daddy. I want to tell daddy about how say me a plan to go meet up with man and go out with man and then things like a party. I better say because happen and daddy go to me to turn up here.
Sis, if you bill off 5 phone is still in about your runway. Suppose you go to the road and something bad happen to you.
But girl, me know the streets, I know the street code, and right now in my time and day, you can't just have parents locked in a house like say you're a hostage. You have to go out and enjoy yourself and anything. So you mean nobody can tell me for eat that. Worst nice streets, what me know about stuff, nobody can tell me for eat that.
The boy tease you, you know here, you know? Girl. But I'm glad that you are still sister girl.
Me not have no problem. Me not have no problem to keep her, you know. And she did get up, you know, and left the yard. And you as a father, we should have tell her, say, go on back to your mother and her manners to your mother. You never you take her up and make stepmother have him down there and sitting. So you must me okay. Me not have no problem. Alright then. Yeah. Oh, me can't bother phrase. Hey. Oi, let me come then.
she there? You come with the water and I'm going to talk to you.
So, how me can call me so? How?
See me carry water come there. But me need to talk to you about your daughter. You see what I mean? She not no behavior. She a cynical, she cynic troublemaker. Because you don't know she not tap tease me dog, you know. And you know how it go, you know. When dog bites somebody how much million and me no have it. You see what I mean? You need to talk to her, you need to warn her. When she come or she a pass, she don't need to say nothing. Leave the dog alone. Because me not go respond if something go wrong, you know, because if she get bite, you run, maybe you run, come say me dog bite. You see what I mean? I don't find out where you go, but she a tease the dog, she a provoke the dog. And any day that dog bite you, who? Make me make you know from warn her, till I feel leave me dog alone.
Me apologize on behalf of my daughter, right? And me thank you for telling me. But hold on there, which one of them can know a two daughter? Which one?
The fair complexion one, not the dark one, the one that's quiet. But she not quiet. She a troublemaker. She only act like she quiet. I mean, know everything so that little girl was a quiet little girl, nasty girl. But when me see her, I trouble them, I couldn't believe. Say she wouldn't do that. You say I mean, I tease the dog, I trouble the dog. And if the dog bite her, how you go? You say I mean?
Alright, me really sorry about that and it not gonna happen again. You telling me apologize, me sorry about that, me talk to her. I understand, me sorry about that, me apologize. Understand, right? Please and thanks. And thank you for your water, for you here.
You're welcome. You know, say me and your friend for a long time, but you need to talk to that little girl. Because she get bite by the dog, me no respond. You hear what me say? Talk to her. She a cynical, she cynic, troublemaker. Alright.
Man, what money I call me for? Every minute this lady call me and I bother my brain. I said last night, you know, the lady called me. What do you believe what she called me for? She called me for we're in a back room in a Kayla. Only if you know see a remote this lady I come in front of right her bedside table right beside her bed. I can't bother.
That's so mommy stay in a girl. You better your answer. You better your answer because you know mommy head chip on one part.
Chop, I'm not answering up. Come on girl, go over this to go sit down.
So I think we can do sis.
We can't go no places, girl, no places. You know me have my links.
I wish so I really up this over in there. I hear me a call and then not answer. It's alright. You know, you know that I say that me a call you know here. Because girl, you know I mash you up in here. You hear me I tell you? Listen to me. Let me tell you this. And me I adult in here. Me, I know you. And you see all of them foolishness there where you're going with, where you cut out it. Because you see if you don't cut out it, you're going to see what happens between me and you. You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up! Shut up and not tell me nothing. Shut up your mouth. You see all you up there? You will make him come here and influence you. You will mash up it to a woman in here. Me will mash up it to a woman. When you tell me say you're getting money, brother, I can't deal with them something right now.
Better say it don't happen and they go to me to turn up here.
Are you pitney me did I call you about?
See me carry water from me. But me need to talk to you about your daughter.
You have trouble people dog on the road.
No, go so.
Shut up!
No, Tisha. For real now. Answer me for real. How where you go?
Kayla, me not stay here, Kayla, because I have to come here good and 2 times for me come and me get lick already. Right? This is how many him words of all count tell lie on me. I make me get lick 1 more time on that. Nah, stay here. Me nobody beat you with him.
Tisha, I know you not answer my question. No, I never ask you that. I ask you say where you go or where you go stay. You idiot. I know you don't have no money, you know. You don't have no money for you to take care of yourself out on the road. I hope I don't know boyfriend you go to, you know. Because me call mommy and make sure come here with police and know what they have to do with you.
No say over here, them here go hide some things me go pick up for me daughter, that a little one leg.
Oh, talking about her. You feel like you talk to her, man. Because she even afraid of the dog, no, she not even look for the dog again, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me, you know, me talk to them, man, because they know me will mash them down.
What you
But
mean?
anyway, still, you know me the one talk to you, though, because it's about now a big little thing, you know. See me lose all my work and...
How you tell me?
Yeah, man, all the little piece of land there where we have me a plan for you sell it and do a little business and then something this. So.
It's a land there where me are you.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Selling land now, you know how land thing going up, value go up. So right about now, you're gonna sell it for little or nothing or whatever, and then now, when the right time comes, you get a money for that time, the money show up. What make you don't really want to sell it?
Well, I'm gonna tell you already, man, me lose the little work, man, and remember say I'm me with the 2 girls, remember say one of them a pine up, and the next one, no have no pine up. So, and the other one, the one when I'm up at college, she want to go and that's why I tell her, say, I don't want to sell the land and just do because the bills them are coming and the pressure is on, brother, the pressure.
You know,
Man.
Sis, can you just sit down and talk about this young man? Tisha, tell me the honest truth. What the problem? Like, why always I do this? You can't open up to me when you can't tell me anything. What happened?
Kayla, you ever realize, say, my life not easy, my life hard. Like, we don't do nobody nothing, right? And then we always a struggle and I go through it. Look at it, all mommy, she always a struggle and I go through it and she don't do nobody nothing. We can't bother. You realize that everybody in this community, they live the same boring life, they stuck in a one place. I don't want to sit down like them until me dead.
I understand, you know, but running away not gonna make it better. Tisha, imagine you go to the road as a woman, as a little girl. You know what things can happen to you? In a day time you can't trust people. But they not see you. You have me as a sister where you can't trust. Remember we're young, you know? Just have patience. And nobody would be running away business, girl. Give me this.
And so people always say about ourselves we have patience, right? So till we get old and even enjoy our life. But me will take your advice and me will listen to you and me will stay. But just see that man will tell life and about how so me trouble him dog, me will get back at him somewhere, somehow, me will plan up something for him.
Tisha, and I say I always get in a trouble, you know?
I don't nothing like that. I don't know where to cause no trouble nor no problem. Come and tell you what you're going to do.
First, I will get some cold water. You're easy, you know, girl. But alright, me I go help you.
You know why you hold on a college thing, you know, because our future that you don't know. But if you sell a piece of land, say a college, I want to wait. Because you know the amount of benefit of some land can run and go towards. You don't know. But it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense to thinking of selling. Or there is no other solution where, yeah, you're a friend, you know. Yeah, I could even butt in and help you, you know. But you know what things say. You say me because that's a land there. I want to wait. Just hold off for the selling a land thing. Yeah.
Yeah, me I hear you. But me I listen to you say still now. Me I deal with you now. But here what you say if nothing else come up, me not have no other choice.
Something must come up, man, how we can deal with and just start. Me help you, man. We are friends, you know.
It's just so, man, it's just too much for me head now,
You
man.
understand, me understand.
Yeah.
Losing your job, I want
You understand, it
real.
stress me out, man.
You understand?
I mean, have a girl, them, and I want to make sure so they grow up good and, you know, get them education. I remember say we don't get it like that, you know, you understand?
That's true.
So, me want them, especially want to go to college.
You understand, but hold on for the selling a land, because you don't know, something have to come up.
Alright.
You think about something and see what we can do.
Yeah, alright. Me I go hold off then.
Alright. Why? You see, people are no. The plan is to have salary. I think this is not to have salary. Why don't you talk about that? You help her. I understand what you are talking about. But I can't say the land. Can't say that salary.
It's a puppy show, yeah. Where your sister there?
She in there, son. Tisia! Yeah? Mommy, I call you. Yes, ma'am.
Serious are your things them because your so-called stepmother says she not carry them come. But your father say, as a friend today, I up you so you go stay. You not go back down so you not have nobody have for your mind down so. You understand me? So you see any little thing in the field, you out of yourself and grinding, nobody will me mash you down. You hear me say, miss?
Yes, mommy. Well, to be honest, mommy, I never plan to go back down there. Because I did still know me, I think about the whole situation and everything. And I not get in trouble nor any problem, so you don't have to worry about that.
Kayla, where your sister there? Are you a taxer?
Yes, mommy.
No, sir. Wait there. What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago?
I not get back in no trouble, mommy.
No, sir. I know you talk. Father God, answer my prayer.
You see, girl, she fine. She you know, girl. Bye, girl. So even if we get catch, she not go think see away.
You're not easy, no, you're not easy. But at the last time, I do this video doing. Anyways, remember to take out the jug out of the fridge before mommy see it, because you know normally keep this up.
Kayla? Kayla?
Yes, mommy.
Come here. So Kayla, how you don't feel if you go college or university overseas?
Mummy, I never really did think about that, you know. I say when I left school, I go look work, go do or thing like that because you know I don't have no money. I never did have that part of my brain. But I love to go do.
Don't worry about that, man. That's something when me see where you can get a scholarship from out here if you go over there. You understand? All your grades them are for you. Your grades them are for up there. But the information there on the phone was, I think I was 96 or 100. It's a look on here and see.
Them a say grade that is 96 100 average. Me can't get that, mommy. Me can't manage to get
Me I
that.
tell you, try and not get yourself in no trouble. I understand? Because I didn't look at something, at least you could think, you know, I don't know community go and mix it up with nobody. I mean to say, if this thing comes true for you, you can't get it because you mix up with Dick Tom and Harry, Mary and Mary to Jane. Because more you get through, I know this come true for you, so you get a better life, better future. You understand me?
But I'm not mix up myself with nobody in the community. I'm not getting no trouble. No, I get no trouble. Hello guys, hope you enjoyed the little video, and I'm asking you guys to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend.
Yes, and there's more to it.
And put up the comment section.
Thank you for watching.
And me here to not ask the IG and the comment. Anyways, when I want to go follow me TikTok, my name Ufay with 2V_TC and me I look for him. And yes, my Instagram now. I wait there. Me tell you my Instagram is it with a Z_your_girl_TC with 3I. Thank you.
Okay, I don't have it.
Oh, the_official_Kayla877. That's my Instagram page. Bye.
Bye guys.
And action.
Tisia, where you go? Ya idiot? How you look for?
If you look Maya,
Come again.
Action.
Tisia.
Action.
Mr. Tisia, where you go? Ya idiot? Me know you don't have no money to go out there and even take care of yourself when you reach out the road. I hope I don't money I got to in a little girl. No, wait, sorry. That's what I say so much to a little girl.
And action.
Tisia.
Kayla, you ever realize say we like
Miss Heman. Yeah, I mean, know you have voice, you know. I mean, so you can't even look in her bag meanwhile she talk to you. And you listen to her like she a cuss. And you look for your sister same time too. So after action and action. Your father say up here at and from now. After action and action.
Your father say up here stay as a from now. So no going back down so to you.
Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, we don't know clock, sorry. One thing, my people, in the name of Jesus, please, it's in this channel, may I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. If the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you know how to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause I'm not gonna miss the threesome if you know watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
Candy, boy, I tell you, today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee for revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say you save up energy for me. By later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. Not time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13 left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters. You know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know. You know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quick, cause some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
Use the energy, you know? I never me. I not say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know it's a time to be step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm gonna get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. I want one.
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I invest so much in you, look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things and accoutrements and birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, ma'am. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what's going on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry on.
Yeah, something wrong with me? You can't look on me. Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in, When me spit out, You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to care. You know what I mean? Instead of here try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that enjoy ourselves a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah man! Rain and fall. Of course we take up the clothes them. Clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now I don't tell you something no one running up. And nobody feel so something happen to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about
babe. No miss why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not gonna explore no more. You're not gonna enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just hear so.
Argument done, you know, lack of that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck? You are going. Me have a cool out run so you know. So go on do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what cool out what you're saying. You want to put more out.
What you idiot? Going out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say not come in with no flu and not contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget picnic when you're not sick and then big then can help you know. Look for you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know say, go down this over there go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up in it. You know mommy?
Yeah man. Everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me one left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price what you get. Me so give up shop still you know. You can't go in it for long. Cause it's like me hungry I throw one pad. I say same money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me boss. So if you can't manage it,
true enough, mommy. But you know say you can't give up the shop still. That's all them thing they run, isn't it?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up up. Really. Glad me I will not support me still. Give thanks, you hear?
Well, yes, man. Sometimes you give me something to do.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Doing good. Nave, service.
Yeah.
Service always up around here, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Yeah, give me one Pepsi, I say to my stomach, you answer, cause...
No, so cold in what you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them a thing we deal with. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I go on, Jenna. Long time in the see in that place, you know. Where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just want to take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause I'm there I raised with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Cause, alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price done raised from last month.
Yeah man, price done raise up man. But then should have dare still, you know. But that's why you support me all along, you know.
Everything can raise, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a them days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth them want to come. You see me? You get no youth yet?
No sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? I run that down. That we come man. Time did it for that, you know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
Yeah, I understand. Well, some of us say we are waiting upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all still start to look upon some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you know, I gonna need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them ready?
Yeah man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I can deal with things, cause yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie.
Yo. Me there man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. And when me see you, just give it in.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you man. Yeah man, I can start it out. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill man, don't worry. Alright, bless myself man. Cool. Right. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out you know. So bless myself. Yes sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing here, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. I live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec, what period there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time stay during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, so though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend, I'm free. But you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec, weekend you're free, we can link up, cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah man, I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. What that sound?
Yeah man, no problem, you know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sounds like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. You're not gonna start in, don't worry yourself. Just have to take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So up road there, say that?
Yeah, up road there.
So later we talk here.
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone in the mad self about in Ghana road. So, he gone, me no business with him. Make him go and he should have wait up in the rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. We are doing baby in them time. Or if him no one breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, saying I make no sense. Sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until I financially stable my breed. I'm for breed now. I'm broke. I can't find food now.
It come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I can't get up and go to my yard. Sorry, me did come up here.
What one can be?
I'm there, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
Man, I just left me a little, you know? Alright. So you link, yeah?
Alright. I'll go and behave. You know, say, Candy man just overshop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and then something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk say. I'm no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run our time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, you know. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright.
Hello?
No, I'm not calling too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we go. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but if I just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. You know hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, we'll pawn you.
Alright. I found right now, here? Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, man, and now come in yard. How about this, man? How make this a man and I want a baby now? I wonder what I could do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there now, my father.
None of there?
None of there, my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
That's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming. Hi. You see, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you. Oh, something.
I see the paper phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said, even fought for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time. And come over there where they just busy at talk. Because a long time I don't see where catch up and things.
Virgin Mary that baby boy. You think me born yesterday? Me know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think me born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm looking a friend and me did the last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said him come over. Me just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. Be nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have in a face too. Yes, girl, you're born.
So girl, I feel your man or what? Me need to know, you know. Because if I feel a personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear a man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know say I have to squat my like a ass and go one side. I hear a man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. I went yesterday and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I'm ever done in a year.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay. I'm with him realize say you're not really into me again.
What?
See all this man they wake up. Normally when you wake up you just say, babes, you look pretty, you know. This man you know say, babes, you look pretty or nothing. You just get up and just start the way you do so. How I go on?
Look how much things you have to do this morning. Go wash your plate. Go sort out the mat out of front. I don't know how to sort it out because there's so much things you are telling me to do at once. And then me I do it. I don't know what I want. Babe, you're pretty every day. You understand? You're a beautiful woman. But you have to understand, say, when you put me under pressure sometimes to do everything, it's kind of frustrating. Me go forget. Because you love attention. You know that.
Yeah.
So stop acting like that.
You're supposed to love attention. Me feel your woman. You're a female man. If you always want your attention. As much as we give you enough things to do, in between you're supposed to come back to me. First one you do, you come back and say, babes, your eye them pretty. Second one you go back and come back to me and say, babes, your teeth them white. Third one you go, you come back and you say, babes, the shape good, you know. I want to you, I'm supposed to always have your attention. So nobody come to me with your foolishness.
Oh my God. You hear me? You hear yourself? I wonder if you hear yourself. If me have a phone recording right now, I can hear yourself. Me if you run go so. I relay me I play. I must relay. Me tell you this. I understand you. But the greatest thing if you appreciate. Because more than gone left, right and center, but me still there. Yes, so. Yes, me give you attention. But come on. Jesus. Eh? You have to work it out with me. You know what I mean? Alright then. Give me a little time out then because there's no way I run. Yes, I run. Come back. I don't really me I play.
When me a peel your banana, you ever ask the time off yet? Hello, if you can do, I go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am. And stop the complaining about what if I think upon your brain. Me I only think for the upon your brain. When me I do the dirt and do everything where you like, you ever ask the time off yet? The least you can do, I come to me every minute and say, you look sweet today, you're looking beautiful, honey I love you, all them things there. You complain about you want time off. Hello, I only think for the upon your brain. You complain when you want this, when you want all of this? No, you're not complaining. So when me tell you, say, you have to go and come back and tell me how beautiful I am, you're supposed to be. Yo, ready to come on and rock with one.
Yo, if you have a girl, you have to have style. Come here tell you, say, you see me? I have two girls, and you see two of them live in a 1 yard. And none of them don't know. Because a style do it. I have girl all boy place, I have girl round so. And I have one girl up on the lane there. Because the style. And I love the flow. You see what I say? Yeah, girl is brother. I she don't understand.
Oh, go on out there, so. How are they going?
So hold on there. What my boy do? How much money have?
One me have. Only one. But guess what? We don't really need no more because, you know, she kinda too much, you know? Because the attention thing, me not no space for nobody else. Because right now, I know that she's won't come. That's what I talk about.
How are they going? How are they going out here, so?
Babe, I'm for a reason. I eat the ice mint and cool out. Nothing wrong, nothing wrong. I talk. I just talk. I want you ready for me now?
Yo, you know something you cut to a public. Just deal with it, isn't me? Really?
So wait there. It look like your friend them more important than me. Me there in there so want little attention and you out here so with friend.
Babe, come on man. Yo. Out here say my bridge and I talk to him. Why make you always stick me up with that something?
So
like?
I wonder how you would have feel if me forgot spend all of the time where you forget with my friend them.
Me don't want you give your attention to your friend them want me forget. You understand? So no stick me up man. Just a reason for a second. You understand? So when it come down to the fact say your time or your time, me not take out of your time. So what you want from me? What you want?
You know what? Don't make me reach him before you, you know? Don't make me reach him before you. Alright. So, where you hold out on board? You don't know what if you do?
Oh. You're beautiful. How's your day, sweetie? Is there anything else you want me to do for you now?
How you sound, sir? You don't sound confident at all. I swear me not believe you. By the way, how you the phone I text? You have next woman?
Come on, babe. You want the phone? Me not text somebody. Me just a chill because we're up on the road all day. And, you know, I start out where I start out. Me deal with everything. You close them, wash the clothes and fold up. You know what I mean? Me don't know. I just that. Alright. What you want me to do now? Tell me what you want me to do. Me don't want money.
What the fuck? Give me a phone. You not use no more phone first away. Give me a phone. Give me a wallet too. Cause me not fuck no phone for man goes. Give me a wallet. Give me. Go over this sit down. Get up.
Yo, this man.
Your bright self.
I feel like a torture. Just because I have a woman? No, sir.
Babe, you know, said I have something more I want to tell you. I'm the one we tried to tonight.
I could have what that now?
Me come tell you.
This a Rasta. Give me wallet. Second times alive, yeah. Yo.
Babe.
Go here.
Babe. Babe, where you gone? Where you gone leave me? You know what? Me I go date a ballad. I Rasta now work out.
Thank you for watching thus far. It's a pleasure. I appreciate you. You know what I mean? So guess what? If it's the first time here, you know, subscribe, like, share, and do the right thing. Because I appreciate you. And I'm just growing bigger only with you.
You're late. Plus, you don't have your book. How you plan to do?
Oh, to you. We finished them the assignment there already. Or something else me come to talk to you about. But it's embarrassing.
What kind of embarrassment? How happened?
Alright, so you know I'm single, right? I'm from with you. Me I try to put myself out there. I try to get a man. I literally go to the man and I look the man. And it's like me go there, you know, and me I talk to the man. I smile and everything, you know. And then at one point he start dress back. Me I try to go up to him and he just keep on a dress back. Me don't know what go on. And it happen with every one of them.
Hold on, the girl. Before I get down the line, integrity. Let me eat one of them experiment here. You want one?
No, sir, girl. I can't eat them something there. Them feel too weird in my mouth. Plus, them give you gas.
Alright, so what you ask about the man them now? Sorry, me I have to put on my mask, you know. Corona. What you say the man them do, you know?
You sure say everything alright?
Yeah, man, girl, everything good. So what you ask about the man them?
Me not have done corona, you know. But still, the man them just a run for me, so. I don't know why they just a run for me, so every time I go near a man, he just a run for me, so.
So girl, you not ask the man them what the reason for them a dress back from you or anything?
Girl, me not even know, you know, cause me not want to ask them, cause me just feel embarrassed. Me not like, cause if they really like me, why they would not shy away from me and not want to deal with me? They just a pull back from me, so, and it's embarrassing. And if they didn't really like me, why they would not pull away, so? I just can't bother ya.
Oh, go on, sir. Everything good?
Hello.
Pants, girl. How far me I come from? So, Kira, where you going? You good? Kira, how things?
Me alright, you know?
Yeah, alright. That's all I want. You know what I mean?
So, public, I'm to you. You alright? You good?
Things good. What? You think you're good? You sure you're good? Sit down, go on, let me girl.
You know, say though, you not act weird. Me want to know a wagwan. Why you not act so?
Let me tell you this. And you act strange. You come like you and Colgate and a malice. Let me tell you something, man. You is not a good friend. Imagine say you know say fear amount under one different construction and you have spearmint over there, so I don't really push one in and shoot. You know what I mean? Mama, and I really say me I try to bring turmoil or anything like that. But it's never too late for a little brush with a little Colgate. You know what I mean? Don't hurry and come out your house. You know what I mean? But at the end of the day still, I don't want to feel too bad. Because you might have a rotten teeth when I back your mouth or something go on. I don't know. The situations are different, you know what I mean? But you can't people like around here because guess you know. She now make you know say boy something go on under this. So I can't take it no more. You want to go on, handle of business. You find something to do. If you never have nothing to do, you go to sitting. You need to find a new friend. No. You start prepare food then?
No, I'm not doing dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
What?
I don't have enough flour and stuff for it.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you not get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Let's go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we're hungry belly cousin now really passed through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public!
Baby, hear that?
Public!
Bye.
Public! That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what
me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You don't know what's that Saga right now? We don't have no choice. I guess I know, we almost stopped down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never planned to cook. Me never planned to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me say you want to give me a little food around there, oh you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going there so. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I don't wake up your wife. I don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh! No, man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, man. Sit down, take your time. Sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me that KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Here what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I go. Here, don't move first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I'm back, me, man.
Alright. Don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, the man a smell the food from out there, so me nah share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. I come and get you. Yes.
You help me there.
Fast, come on, I want to go. Yes, help me do if I solve the case. What me do with them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look more. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can't smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat a piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen, no. You never mind that talking. But maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass to your house and go talk to them. And them not talk. But me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Papa, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again? I'm mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up on near me food, you know. Me nah let you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill. Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Go on. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is Sista.
Bad girl Carrie.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello. If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
When you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you come walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we I try get it settled, you know. And you come advertise certain things. Eh? And what problem?
No man. You get some bad to us. You just come accuse me. I want to tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. Eh? You're one burner man. Who could have they call me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me right here with 6, 7, 8 gal along the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
a boy
upper
thing
Kerry
that.
I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where I come from right now. Kerry tell me say you, I know you name Popeye, eh? Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me. Eh? Brother, me no depend what you depend here. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I'll show me that one. Do you something idea? Yo, who you call girl clone?
We have to put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, palm and chocolate there.
For next time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mixed up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi!
What on?
But there.
You know where Papa may I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa may I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of telling me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm tell you, I go back to
I can't take it mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me never follow you? Eh? You think me never follow you? You! What you call up my name for? You lady, yes, you! Me? You! And him. I come on and come talk about me and watch him. But me I tell people boy my girl is when man a girl is a girl clown. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about I'm so me do. Eh? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at this shit with me. Yo, me look along in about you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You think my friend you get? Just wait. Me want to lose blue man.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, see how you just wait. Me must see up on the road.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back my name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already people business jump on my foot. And once you jump on my foot, it go kick. So talk.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself.
What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a Jed. Not me yam not a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a girlis. When me know say him a girl clown already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a girlis?
When you come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see Kemar down and so with Wally pa woman. Tell me say you never say so.
Me see him, but you know, listen, what me did say yesterday, me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside, because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because I'm a girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me, I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night
On my birthday, man. You know me, you know, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's about business. One birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
calm down, calm down, man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Cause I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, yo, see how you man.
Go to me house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead, get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, I'm brownie.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just be, my brethren going to link up over there, so we are talking about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you,
Come link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know? Do. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on there. Hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send me to the fence into your lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check who you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess, you know, a girl like you, I know, so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know, so I'm telling you
Hello,
this.
if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can come on.
Your boy, you.
You
You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there so I look one girl and you come out here and look me?
You see a dog that?
I'm rolling.
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Bro, yo, you know someone reason about a situation. Yeah man, it's a situation that going on where, you know, sometimes you have to wonder. Brother, so if you have your woman and feel her best friend kind of give her a vibe, you know what I mean, like she'll send you a certain signal, how you don't approach it?
What you mean? Me not understand. What you mean?
The man means say, if you da ride off your woman best friend, your woman best friend.
Yeah.
That he mean.
You know what I mean? You don't do it?
What you mean? What if you stop me? Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you're gonna walk and you're gonna walk, you're the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy. Me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
Alright, rough. Yo, film decision just serious. So Jota, where say I go on now? What your opinion on this situation?
They would I do it. Cause watch it out. My woman. I not true me love her alone, you know. I loyal to do it, man. Cause what goes around come back around like in a little circle. Yes, me not do that, brother. Me just not do that thing. I tell you the truth.
Yo, you know, easy in the car. Alright, you see, me share same sentiment. I see him, so me say. I don't do that, brother, because I guess I know. I have to respect, you know, like the whole loyalty process. Because it's a process, you know. Man a dog, you know. Like, back in the days when I was maybe 15, I don't know where I go on. I might want to take a chance, you know what I mean? But now I respect her, she respect me, you know.
So what you say, so what you say, so what I say? So what you say, you tell me, say, if you see your woman best friend, you won't there with him. You won't there with him. A joke you know make, man. Right now, I tell you, say, you right now, some of the girl, them, see some of the woman best friend, them, better sometimes, most of the time. Round and shape, good.
Yo,
Allow me to tell you.
beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. You see, if a fatty you want, I want a little slim as pass through. Yeah, she might have a little tight stuff, but you know what I mean? The confidence and the loyalty.
Me as a man, as a big man, me actually in order for married now. So basically, me not do no little stupidness to mash up my thing, brother. Yeah, and true again, if me do or go do something like that, I don't wheel over so brother. No, sir.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you something, man. Everybody have them own freedom for free themselves, you know what I mean? That's what them say man a dog, you know, because some man really just live their life there. But some man, as a man say, mean harder to get married. Me now in the process of...
So hold on there. What give you the reason for the ask me all of them questions? You're up to something, you know. You see your face, you're up to something.
No, John.
Yeah, man, you're up to something.
Sometimes when you have a bridge in them, it's the best place to talk and reason on certain things, because, yo, me don't like how for me... Me don't like how for me woman, best friend, kind of, you know, she too into
something,
it.
Something for you, you know. You say one more.
Look on his face. Look on his face. Look there, look on his face.
Yeah, nah.
Yo, I wish woman. Yo.
Without fire.
Yo, I wish woman. You see your woman with you. Yo, we are friends now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now. You can keep secret now. We are friends now. Yo, we are friends now, daddy.
Yo, hold on, man. Yo, it's like say, I'm a woman. A pansy, man. Yo, a pansy, you know. A pansy what yo. See a wife you call. Yo, big up on yourself, man. You understand me? I said, we talk, a wife you call.
Yo, you take it easy. Take it easy.
Chop him,
Yo, you see, I come ask you a question.
I chop him, I chop it. I want dirty boy. No, I hear what we have to say. Chop him, I chop it. No. I want dirty boy.
Yeah.
Yo, I watch and see what I do. The most chop that's where they don't know. Can't better me see it in my face.
You don't see it in my face. You don't see badness in my face. Take it easy.
Babe. Yeah, man. I know it's Valentine's Day, man. So you say, ready to go out? Where's the pansy today? Okay, I'll try to make sure. Alright, no problem, man. I'm on my way home right now. So the next 2 minutes I can see now. Alright? Cool, now come.
And 2 hours now, and public summer take 2 minutes to reach here.
You so come man, you don't know them still.
I wonder when they.
How can be? Pansy still there?
Yeah.
You good?
So
babes. Oh God, sorry for it take so long, man. Sorry for it take so long. Oh my God.
Why you take so long? How long may I wait for you? 2 hours now?
I'm gonna try to do something special, extra special for you, but you know what? Better me just carry out and just go eat some food and we just, you know what I mean, have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So,
Me your long soon I wait for you.
man come and tell us, yo, they're on the road, tired, but if you still like fridge,
Yeah.
get it for me, do. And then when you get the drinks, we just ready and go out. Yeah?
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Don't stay too long, you know?
Alright. You not done packet? You took me down and I'm ready. Okay, so do you feel? Alright. Yeah, come. Yeah. So public, if me did in our relationship, would I do all them nice Valentine's things here and stuff? You get what I say? I don't really want to hear still, you know, but you get what I say?
But me no think we fi even entertaining conversation because she will chat me up, me sure about that. You know what I mean? So, but me no know.
So I ask you something. You think me attractive?
Yes, but Bob Marley will done say there is Bob Marley say one love, one heart, one at a time, you know what I mean?
Yeah, so we can share our love.
Yeah, but me think about it. Decide me can.
I can go and be like fire. You sit down close the door.
She good, man. She good. Don't worry yourself, be. You know, say I'm a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She good, man. Don't worry yourself. Hey, I've been through so much today, so be stressed out, tired and all that. But you ready for go? Girl, go with me. Come on. I want to have a good night tonight. How about the eyes, man?
And action.
Yo, brother, I'm telling you this, brother. You don't know them a girl in a youth. Yo, when you don't know what go on when you gonna walk and you gonna walk, you the pan road, brother. Them a girl daddy, me bum youth. Them a girl you a brother.
No, we can't go. No, we're not gonna tell us if we love him, no. We're not gonna tell us if we love him.
Action.
Yeah. You still there? Why go and pansy everything?
Oh, pansy. Don't order.
No. Pansy, wait, I'm calling. You know what I mean? Have fun the way we're supposed to. Not sure. So, but if you come over, come on out there. I want you to hurt her feelings. I can't say yes. Lady!
Yeah, what?
I'm gonna take so long to come in. You have to come in.
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy. Right?
Why wonder Papa go so miserable, man? Yo, Papa, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up here so miserable, man?
Why? We don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some man pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not what I could choke. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me never penetrate on the Spanish fly, no, boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it, though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something make me hard bad. So, I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why I make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do the thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, rude structure now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow. See you. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they miss you miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want to tell you. The one of them in yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really? Oh. That make you there some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me off from my hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly. Cause that no sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she the pan I you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. You only thing to go on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. Or you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share. And I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, are you wish that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this.
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Tell them where you're sitting
here.
Tell them where you're sitting here.
You go on like you know and then go over to Akeem Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
Subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Lovely walk. We need to do these things more often, baby.
Yeah, definitely.
Carry the next step. And we're gonna do it, baby.
Just think more on that now still though. There's something to talk to you about. Yeah. I think more, you know.
More? Of course, you always want more. What kind of more you want? What kind of more you want? Tell me.
Just want to be more spontaneous, you know.
Yeah, that means.
I feel like so we can maybe buy one handcuff. One time, I do my thing. You know, so you can't move, you know.
But you know, so I like to move anyway, so why you don't want to tie me up? That doesn't sound too... I don't know.
But anyways, we can think about it.
Alright, we think about it.
So yeah, how's work?
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
A long time I want a boy. Walk on, Shan.
Sorry.
Hello.
What's up?
There. Just there take a walk with Alton through the lawn and thing.
Alton?
Yes. He ain't got on that one part of this. So we're going.
I'm not want me to stay here. So I come breeze out a little bit for the sun there.
Okay. So I just there to run come around here, come find you because a while ago, after me and him have this nice walk. Long time we don't really spend some quality time together, you know. So I didn't walk the nice and everything, and then after we reach a one part, he stopped and say, yo, you love how everything is going, but he kind of want a little bit more. What kind of more you really feel like, say, boy, I want? I can tell me, say, you know, they're interested in a little bondage. You know, like to tie me up and they could do a little thing with me, constrained.
I never know say into them things there.
Me, after me not into them things there, me tell him say me not too like them things there still, but me tell him say me think about it, you know, because...
Nobody think about nothing, nobody go down them road there with him.
But I'm a boyfriend and we have come from far, you know, we have enough things so we accomplished so far. Me see him as the one, you know, me see him as possibly later down, but no, not right now, but me see him as that, so...
But if I'm going to push you into doing things where you don't want to do, why?
Say him push me still, but maybe we can think about it. That's why I don't want to talk to you about it. What do you think?
What do you mean by tie you up on them things there? Them things they lower your self-esteem I come talk about. Tie up. I make no boy tie you up here. That me I say, I make no boy tie you up.
Well, I have a friend from a long time still, you know, from primary school days to be exact. So, you never steer me wrong, you know. And when you put it like that, you say you only want to tie me up after we have flourished.
Your self-esteem. Him alpha and you are.
Not even Omega.
Alright. Me go take what you say still in consideration and me go talk to him about it. Me tell him say yeah. Me tell him how me feel about it. So
Tell him say if you make your next woman do that, because I'm sure he have a next woman. What? You don't have to put it to him say no, but me sure.
he never really show me no sign of that still, you know. Me not put it past no man, you know. Don't get me wrong. But he never really show me no sign of that still.
No, because he not show you a sign, them no mean say he not do it. Someone know if you hide them thing, you know, someone well private and well secretive. You did know same did into all of this bondage and tie up shit. Well, first of all, where him come from with them tie up shit here? I probably somebody else will show him that and him say, oh, me come try this. You're with
right,
Tori.
Still don't know. Where him learn them things there from? Is it that he did always like this? But me and him there for so long.
And he never showed them things there before. As somebody this a come from, remember me tell you.
Me and him going to have a conversation.
Right way.
For sure. Oh, thanks again for your ever so awesome advice.
How you find me out here as a girl? Next time, maybe go change my hiding place then because you find me too easy.
Mas me say
bye.
Me say like a word, me call him.
Alright.
Hello?
Alton.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Shan.
Tori friend Shan. Me down by the golf course and me here say that's where you there too. You not leave it.
Who is this?
It's Shan.
Which Shan? Which Shan?
Tori.
I have about 6 Shan in this phone.
Tori friends Shan.
Tori friend?
Yeah.
How will you get my number?
Know yourself what how me get the number. Me here say the golf course. Me there on I'm back there, so come give me a link. Me have something where me feel like you need to see right now. Something we need attention right now.
Continue the conversation. Something more like just come in, you're gonna feel like you're rubbing him down, rubbing his chest or something. Then make him take the conversation to you and say, yo, what does it mean if you really have a talk? Because you know walk out. Take it from the side.
But can they look like the place lock up long time and then stop using?
Yeah man, a long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stop to use it. Forward.
So what you say you're going on now, Candy?
About the partner I come to talk to you about. That's why I carry him up here. So I like if you give me first draw.
First draw?
Because I have something to start out. I have more than one thing to start out. Some wouldn't mind you can help me. What can you do for me?
Yeah man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me have to do it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem man. First draw, remember say me have a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. You see, I have new phone and things, like things that go on for you, I like it. Good. Wow. You have taste though. You got yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man, them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know. I cannot man.
And I settle down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man didn't marry them. I mean, you know. One day me I go through his stuff them
and me sign one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on his side. You not tell me. A people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there is one woman up there and the woman 3 pitney them. Why you take me for? Me running my man. Running with me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to chop you now candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, on the candy. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. I remember me tell you I'm pregnant. You see, after me find out me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him, say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But you see the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the 3 daughters, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as I say one man you have to fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like a then church boy, you know, we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because me ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, me have to call them kind of man, the boy. Because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it then time they like to give me. So you know, say, if the man want one high cement on me, because you see to me I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man not understand settle down, then just see a road and say, you know, say I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay with forever when they know deep down they not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want to hear. And then they have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants say a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a candy. Them are no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As me did I tell you about the little dirty man when me did there with before. Girl, me say, if you want ice cement, me give him. Anything at all you want, me give him as long as me have it. The sun in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? Your body no candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down in no candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money figure. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, I just me go call it. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker.
You know, so I'm up on the road with my friend. So if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, may I come? Yo, what me say? Chappins.
Babe, you know me had something to talk to you about though. Like, me been a consider if I say it to you or what, but eventually we have to talk about it because it a go show.
It a go show? What you talk about?
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Right now, babes, we don't even know how that are going on. I can't make my wife know about this now. You're pregnant? Right now, star. I know, so what you plan to do about this? I can't make my wife know nothing about this now, babes. I know it's a tear up my brain, star. I don't even know what I feel. I think about my wife, my family, right now. I know, star. Jaja. Wow. So, what you plan to do about this?
What you mean by what me I gonna do about this? Are the two of we in there? Are the two of we have to do something about it? Because you did already know say you're in a relationship before you come mingle with me. So the two of we are gonna figure out something to do.
One thing, you know. You have to just get rid of that.
What you mean by get rid of this?
I can't make my wife know nothing about this right now.
I'm not going to throw your child outside of my belly. So we have to go, like, we have money. We can just go somewhere. Just forget about everything behind you and come.
Listen to yourself. What make you so heartless? You really want me to abandon my family? Eh? Right now, I have a young baby on breast. Wait, listen to yourself. You're mad? Want me to abandon my family? Eh?
You did already know that you have a family. And you still come mingle with me. You not abandon your family, but you want me to abandon my family. Me not that should have pick me. Me a keep you. And you see if you don't mind me, I come up here and go sit down by your veranda.
My veranda? My veranda? Mama, we know what to do with you, here. You know what, I'm come out here. Let go from me, let go from me.
Mama, we know what to do with me up there. Or me, we know what to do with Mama up there.
This is not me, you know. This is not me. I can't leave my family. We do something reckless. And we have to work out that. I can't leave my family.
But I know like me come to you and did I tell you to leave your family in the beginning. Me just did I simply ask you what we are going to do about it. And it seems like you just want to lift the burden upon me, lift everything to me.
So, if you know that shit way, I mean I left my family. So what we are going to do? We are going to do this in a secret same way?
This is not how me did plan for raising a picnic, you know. Honestly, we never want to raise a child like this, but we're already in it. So we have to just continue until we can come up with something to do about it. But this is not what we are going to do indefinitely, you know. But just give you some time to figure out what you are going to do. Because we have to come up with something to do about it.
Okay, fine. Fine. But don't come to me yard, you know. Remember, say this secret. I have to leave you now, so I call you when I reach in.
Try make sure you call me, you know. Because if you don't call me, your wife when me I call.
You saw me I work with you? Don't bother with the foolishness, you know. Me call you when I reach up. How you get my wife number?
Don't worry yourself. Me have all our mother number too. Just make sure I say you call me when you reach up, you know.
So, yeah guys, that has been it. That's the short film. And as I said, like, comment, and share. So the interaction can go up, so I have more time to make full-length movies. But before we end this video, I'm going to talk to this actress, or I'm going to make she talk. We'll talk to this nice, beautiful young lady over here. So.
Alright, please remember to go on Instagram and follow me at _pretty black girl.
So D as in
T-H-E.
T-H-E?
Yeah.
So T-H-E, pretty girl.
_pretty black girl.
Yeah, so she no waste no time. Go and follow her Instagram. So, how was that just now?
Was great.
Yeah, how you think, kiddo? I want to rate her, guys. I want to rate her out of 10. How good she do at the acting? So, can consider this video like an audition thingy, I guess, then?
Yeah, guys, so just tell me in the comments how well I did and let me know if you want to see more videos of me, please.
Yes, so Reina come down so we can't get to do a full interview with her, but this is a beautiful young lady. I'm not just seeing the little short film thingy there. Remind us of your name again?
Natasha.
Natasha. Yeah. So anything you want to say before we end the video, Natasha? So thank you for tuning in. Tell them to subscribe.
Please continue to support, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And please tell me if you want to see more of me.
Them definitely want to see more of you. You not even see the video. So yeah, like, share,
comment,
subscribe. A little more, we got it.
Saga not easy at all. If I really tell somebody this, they never believe me. No, sir.
Yo, my general, is there a piece of paper here? Yeah. I don't care over there, I don't get it done in there, you see me? Yeah. You see me? Yeah. Alright. Yo, deal with it, you know?
Yeah, deal with it.
Just relax yourself, my man. I done kill all the things already. You need to fuss up yourself. Relax, man.
Alright, don't do that. Anyways, I have a party. One more invite you. So it's on the 12th of August and it's a breakfast party. It starts at 7 a.m. until night. Yeah, come or you not come?
Yeah, man. When we come, we don't know, sir. We don't plan to stay too long and we just come and just buy one drink and eat a food and cut. Party vibes and thing. Plus, man just get shut up a party the other day and something. So, I think about them things. You see me?
I'm no business about that. More if I come, I'm a party. I need the support. I'm no business about Andrew Oldness, and I need you to stay. A lot of parties keeping, and I need some money.
Alright, now yourself, man. Never forward. But you can charge me 80,000 or the dollar.
I'm so far on them, man. You give me a call.
When are here?
I'm so far on them, man. No one I do on sir. Are you going to check anyway this one tonight?
Sure, but you know. Let me come, alright?
Oh.
Yeah, man. So, Papa, you see I go on now?
You know, since I go in my book. And kind of little one piece, you know. I just feel emotional, love it, but
Yo, Papa.
shocking.
Look how you finish telling me that story. You know, take that call, see? So just go and hold him, man, Zane.
Little girl, come here. Can I do something for me? Can you do something for me, please? You know the brown girl you bring this up? Bully shot, the little brown shot there, you know her?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to give her this for me, here. Give her this for me, here. Thanks.
Little girl. Come and see paper. I will give it.
The man up there, so give me.
A brown girl over there, so bully the shot. She ain't give you a figure?
Yeah.
Alright. They'll keep you, can go on. Are you going to send in the little girl and send me that piece of paper?
Yeah, I make her. I make her figure somebody down this up. But how you come by?
Don't worry about that. You know, say girl don't want you. You know how long me see ya right, later send go right here. I mean never see girl make an attempt to come contact you or anything. You know, say girl don't want you.
Kira, you left all the way from down there so. Come up here so. Why can't you allow my business alone? Eh? Give me paper, give me paper, give me paper.
Look it.
I'm going with you.
As a matter of fact, it's only two people them down there so when they keep the party, the man and the woman. And the same browning where you fish off. You know, so the man where keep the party and him have the browning. And the man having woman in and the browning, no. By the way, if you don't believe me, you can't come. Stop look people who don't want you and look who want you.
Yo, Popeye, come here. Give me $2 grand, brother.
Yeah, but it's really the $2 grand. You really are lay with me for. I said we come down.
Mission to go deal with the number now.
No good for borrow. Not really good for borrow. See there.
Hey, look what I'm this up.
Uncle Papa and me them there look fun. Him and man in an argument over 2,000. You know?
That's why your grandma can't agree and mind people business too much.
Stop it nice. No bother with grandma thing. You know the girl when you bully her?
Yeah, the brown girl will live right down this up.
Yeah. And that's why they quarrel. And I know two that they quarrel over. Papa and the brown girl not think that the man want the brown girl. Them a come.
Everything good, man. No good for borrow.
Must girl. Girl, big bad party I keep a suave. Yes, oh, I keep the party friend. Girl, me say, I reach here Everly big bad yellow party. Breakfast party at that. That's the thing now. I want to change for you for borrow because I want to go support her, but I don't have a cash or anything. So I don't know if you can help me with that little change.
Don't worry yourself about the money. They can't give you money. I'm me a Richie side chick.
What you say?
Yes, girl. I Richie buy this a bus you give me. I go pick you up and we go to a party.
Alright, my friend.
You don't know what go on, man. Don't worry about the money. I go come pick you up and we go to a party. I have a whole heap of things to tell you. a lot of things we have to talk about.
Talk to me nice.
Must bet something, you know.
You say you can't play draft now.
I like when you know some can't play. I bet your girl now.
So yeah, so too. Can't bet for your girl too, you know.
So yeah, give me first move, see table line out there now. I have flip a kind.
Go flip a kind then, no. Man, sure. You take first player, man.
Alright. Check me now, regret that.
See your girl, you have big plans to do.
Yeah, I lose, you know. Looks like a little girl pretty, you know, daddy.
Man, play a game if you play a game, yeah, man.
See, you're confused. You're not this is how you play. You play, man. I'm not thief, man. You give that man a fever. Look like you don't like your girl a little bit. Alright, you're playing. Swear.
Game poor early, man.
Yeah, you talk about me don't know if you play a game, and you don't know if you play a game. Watch out.
What go on here, sir?
What go on? Come here. You hear it more and pop off, you know. You know, a long time I want to chop off this man, you see me? See how it's a break me again, you see?
Big match this thing up. Think kind of play a thing.
Bet him there, no, general. I will not change the betting. The girl where I play for.
Like somebody are gonna lose them girl today. But it's not me.
You are going now. I don't flip no kind, you know, because me that win the call. So I take the first play.
Watch out now. That you dead first.
Brain I use my own.
Brain I use. And that dead one that.
So when you're in a deep position, you take a deeper chance.
I use that brain.
I trap that. So I left you another hole if you a while. So I trap that.
It's a big oof you get. Big oof you get.
So you don't know the game. Watch your whole of your belly report now. Better player. I rock with that whole of your neck belly tear out the whole brother.
Me never
in the network.
Me never
you can't believe that me do.
Me never see.
So powerful me being them things, brother. Whole of 6 or 5 take me take the whole of it. When him go so, bam. Him go so bam. Ramping me at your corner alone if you're a bad man. With about 2 little soldier, you know.
Me not see.
Better put up yo, better take your job, brother. Play like you want me to say, oof, your taste, brother. Oh, sorry.
Never say you get to first.
No, I'm gonna ride them game, brother. That's why I'm gonna play, brother. Because you know, see, you're gonna lose your flesh.
You know, so I feel like, for all of them, I feel like, say, whole lot of people are mad out.
Rory, and I think we know that long time. You think me just see that?
You know, the funniest thing too, true, we are picnic, like, they not go think, say, we are see what go on.
Rory, me not to watch them, you know. Because they not set no example, like how we have to take care of them.
I think a joke thing, it look like, say, we have to take care of them, it's true. Because of the day, I see what man on the internet that goes so big bad order for the Prime Minister.
Now, me assure you, man, thief to one mad people, them, yeah. From me remember myself, my people, them tell me, say, man, I bring you to the world. And me as a little pitney know that, and that the big man, they don't know that. A little pitney have to go run the world, you know.
And yeah, I thought that we just make a serious talk, you know. But what do you think we could do to help make things better? What do you think we could do to help them mad people?
Boy, I think about it rough. I think after that go to school I learn a book.
No, so I will go down back in the yard before me come.
Alright then, come on.
Rory, mommy say no for left out the yard.
I'm not gonna know when my friend them a go over wardrobe.
Mommy say if you not left out the yard, me say come back now.
Oh.
Who is calling?
No, the man come win off him money, man.
What that for? Alright.
Alright, come in, man. I want to lose our fellow could change.
I might tell you lose back pay money to the attack.
Papa, you got a ball field.
So you do everything now yard already?
Yeah man, me sweep up here and everything already.
Make sure you know. I'll have to get to the yard. But Wallace, you said no, I'm call you. I'm done, call you.
Rory! Rory! Rory!
Yo, me I go over ball girl and I come.
You know, so me can't come home, so I have to come out of the yard.
Man, you can't idiot, brother. Call me I go play some football up there so we are going.
Man, you can't come now. I will get beaten if I come. Yo, go and left me. I go check sitting around this so I come back here.
Alright, me I got a ball ground and make sure say you come in because you tell me say you have come, I go pick up on my team. So come a ball ground.
So Don man, how you alone sit down right here so I want to draft you?
Short, you know, say no me want to do. And I rest one day I can go things saying down and back down with a file. But I know say a ball and gone ball over your money.
So you really take away the whole of the man money?
When you all the money and gone ball over it.
Noted. So come at me and play a game now?
What you mean man, anytime I'm ready?
I drop me and make me don't even know if you play the game, you have to go show me.
Well, that's not like no problem, you know. Like you're a fast player now.
So what going differently?
As usual, they are going easy in a hurt and I'm want one new man in my life.
You? You don't want nobody. Only thing you want to do is mess with people, girl pick me. If you get someone away from high school, come fix up the table. Come.
Mama, baby, no play, Anna. Oh no.
Oh no! I hope I not road their friend figure, you know. Because mommy say no feel left yard. Come, call go on in, you know.
No.
You know, so I feel like you want to make me win the game then. But that's true, me have to go away now.
Yo, you're good man. Next time we're here.
Alright, bless up yourself.
Alright.
Jano, Not even did realize the rain fall. True, me go in there one of my long time school friend did in there make me never mash up the mission, you know. Sure.
What's that to me? Me no business about that. A serious mission this, you know. Rasta man need for dead. Alright, me tell you something if you don't know what go on. I know if you know the brother when him fire us. But me usually drive for him, you see me? And enough styling go on. But me know say him have some whole heap of dogs. You get what I say? And that the man there one of them. Him a one of the top dog them. Me need that the man if it get take out of the picture first. Me tell her say if you just put hey. Ah boy, how am I gonna deal with this now? Give me a strap. Give me a strap.
Jano, the thing did sensitive, you know, man. And that the man they know everything about me. Just make me hold on pon his strap for a little bit, man. Just make me go and hold on pon his strap. Because I couldn't deal with the mission. I have to just go and hold on. Because as me tell you, the man they know everything about me. Because me and him used to go to school and the man know my last name, the man even know me live. Yeah.
Alright, here I go. I make you hold on pon his strap. I need to understand that this matter is sensitive just the same. And you could have bust out head same, you know, bust out the two of them head same.
So you expect some supposed to bust out somebody head when me and them go to school? Jano, couldn't do it.
You know what?
Couldn't do it.
It's alright, probably me too eager. Probably me too excited with this. And then again you have a youth. Hold on. You just get the idea, you know. You know what you can do? You can kidnap a youth, you know. You can get the youth and then lure him in instead of a probably buck up and see him nonsense like this again. Alright, here we go. Drive the car, ready.
Yeah, you know, so today when I forward on the block, it's a thing I come for deal with. But you save him. Yeah, so here what? More you tell him to protect you, you see me, because I can run in that anytime.
Hold on. Sista, come here. Jano.
But that's true because I see you. Yeah, because I didn't want this year, but you see boy fire us. Somebody set me up on a link for deal with a crime with him, you know. Yeah.
Right now, I have to make fire now this year. I have to tell fire this year. No joke. You see me? Right now, joke, I have to protect your son head now. Protect your son head, you understand?
Yo, I call me. Just come make fire now, walk on.
Alright.
Yo, Johnny, Ranjay, me no business push by you there now, you know. Just forward in our yard. No, you know.
Again, you can't come to me right now. Like, right now, please. May I go to the radio, you see me walk. Alright. know me, I know how me get myself, you know. Boy afraid I try to kill me.
I don't understand. Want to kill you? What happened? What happened?
I don't know how to explain this to you. And the worst thing, I can't even call station about it because I'm a police.
Tell me what really happened, Mom. You want to kill you or you want to kill you like we don't have one like a relationship fight thingy?
I'm telling you, I care about it, you know, because I nothing really want to go tonight. I don't know what I go do. I don't know what I go do. I can't go back this tonight. I can't go back there because I'm not even the first time I do something like this.
Yeah, so one whole heap of things and all know. I mean, I understand so probably whatever happened, you traumatized her, but all know me not. What really happened?
What happened is that the man want to kill me. The man run me down with machete. The man fling stone off of me.
Where you plan for though?
I don't know which part I go and I like say me have no room I can go. And I like say me even have no clothes and I can say alright then I go somewhere. I don't have nowhere at all to go.
Still not tell me what happened. Make all of this I go on. All I say I run down with steel, I fling this off. But why? I'll do some of them mad sometimes. But what happened? What happened? Where again?
Alright, so let me explain everything to you. I get up this morning and I did have some stuff to deal with. Did have some errands to run for the road and I did even have some stuff to deal with the film too. So I say alright, I go rush out from early. I'm not even get the chance to prepare nothing to eat for breakfast. I just get up early and just rush out to deal with what I have to deal with. I'm on the road whole day and I not get the chance to eat nothing. So till I all feel bad. So I say alright then we just go home and maybe when I go home I can prepare something to eat. So I just jump in on one taxi same time.
When I have whole night out still.
When I reach home and come out of the taxi, my mind say don't walk through front. So I say alright then I go walk through back door. I go around and I open the back door. When I open the back door, the first thing greet me, I want bag on the counter.
What kind of bag come in, Sista?
Just hold on, now make me finish talk. Just make me finish. So, I decided to go investigate and I go there and open the bag. And when I open the bag, I see some stuff like some fruits and yogurt and what else in there? I think some Pringles and I see one slice of cheesecake. So, you know, I'm gonna say, alright then, I just go eat the cheesecake. So, I eat the cheesecake and, you know, I drop asleep in the same place. Somebody there asleep, I just hear boom, boom, boom! And the man I lick down the place. Lord Jesus Christ, I'm frightened about that, I sleep. So I say, oh yeah, lick down the place so far, I start say, why cheesecake with it in the box. So I go say, me eat it. I would tell me if you go see so. One thump in me eye man give me.
For one, serious? For cheesecake? What?
I have to go over the gully down on the veranda till the morning, you know, because he gully lock me out there now.
Yeah, I go on the veranda.
I must round this aside and Mama said the boy. Yo, Oscar. Come here.
What I say, Wagwan General.
Oscar.
Yeah.
Why I really have to talk to you again, you know? Right now, me hear your granny and said they want to fire you from for your workplace. How what go on up there? What go on with you?
Yo, Jack. Sometimes not to like tell mama certain things, you know, because mama love blow things out of proportion, you know. You understand? But, so me get fire, but me not get no fire, you know. See it? I some big one that I go up at hotel. I don't really want to talk it. That's why you see me a little low.
So, what could I not go on up there, sir?
I'm going to show you pray. I go on up at hotel there. See? Yo, you see little catty when I walk around with a little broad, short catty?
Yeah, man. That little catty the way. Now your catty where you and I come on the other day?
Yeah, Jack. Same short girl. You know, so the other day, I'm going to show me a prayer. What happened to him up at hotel? I tell me, say, boss, hold him down, brother.
Bumbo clot. And that a go on up there? And your granny come tell me, say, you want to get fire? You see them boss boy? And them something they really go on with up there?
That's it. And I don't know what to tell she if you do. If you tell him to go to station.
Alright, here what? Because you see them things cost life, you know. Cost life. You see me? Because here one now, it's up at the hotel there. A whole heap of liquor carry go bring come.
Ja, I don't plan to keep a secret of forever, you know.
Your granny things are fire you out forget, you know. Granny things are fire you out forget. So, here what go on. You just go lay low. You see me? Because here what? I think I think the thief up there. Because just that me kind of that hear about, but this serious. So you just go and lay low.
You understand? But I go and figure out how to do the same way. You understand? But anyway, I will go to my yard, I will do it. I will link up soon, you hear me?
I will catch up with the eye and talk again. I have one little thing up my yard to deal with, so we catch up with come on. You hear that?
So you do down here, so look how long me I look for you. We are the right test and me I look for you how long, eh? What you do down here, so what am I take me down here, so?
Sis, me I go through some whole heap of things right now. You would understand some whole heap of things me I go through.
Anyways, if your phone on the yard and your workplace I call you and I get you, and remember, you see any you lose the work, I don't know what you are going to do for take care of yourself. I don't know what you are going to do to get a job.
Danica, him rape me.
What? What you talk about?
See, Mr. Johnson, the man up on my workplace, from my day, I realize say, I be a night shift for my give me and night time I go in my office, him ever job things for my bend over and take it up. And most time I take up the things in him job, I catch him a look on me. Till one night, but day I'm end up in my office.
Hello.
General, what? Boy, I try to get to you from this morning. I call your phone and many times I call your phone.
They up on the work, my boy. You know where you go.
Yeah, man, me that try to get to the man because you want me, I know. Me have a little thing when I want you really scoop around for me. Yeah. Remember that little bridge in there one day, me I tell you, say, work up at the hotel, man. For me little hygiene youth, you don't know because the youth, them always come to me when they have certain little problem and me all just reason with them.
You know where you go, you have to do it.
Alright, I'm going to show you what going on now. You see me? It's a serious thing towards what him said to me, you know, but here what? Yeah, my bridging and I really like some more you go lock up nobody. But more you give you the best advice for you think would have know if you deal with this thing. You know, say, you must show me a vibe, say, the boss up at the hotel, hold on him, woman.
Rape? What you say to me? So you no report it?
No, man, we never really want to make no report yet. You see me, that's how I call you. We kind of find out what we can do for kind of, you see me, if we take her money, if she can take her money off of him or cool her down her.
No man, that man if you go and go report it, man. What you say, man? We know if you go report it. He told them go report it. And that the man they up at that hotel, you know if you know if you know doing, because that man is heavy, you know. Yeah man, that man is heavy, man, so know if you know the same way. Yeah man, make them go report it.
Alright, my general. Yeah man, give thanks for answer the call, man. We link, man. No worry yourself, man. Yes, my general. Yes, my general. Alright. Me give you a call the next few days time from now. John, what is this, man? What is?
I'm going to bend over and take it up. And I him that I see what I'm from behind. And may I say, Mr. John, so what you do? And he might force up himself for me. I might try to get away from him. And he will on me. And then he just start tear off my clothes. Alright. Me.
So we tell? You go to the police, I tell the police?
Well, I tell my boyfriend and I tell him to hold it down because nobody not going to believe. Because they not going to say Mr. John have him wife and this and that. And I'm confused, girl. So I'm not really go to the police then or send out to nobody more than my boyfriend.
Come on, because this now go so.
That your body now give me a nice buzz now. You know my weed. You can't give me face more. Like that.
I'm not getting no more weed, bad man. I just give you a biz bag. And you not pay for the weed them. Last week me give you weed. Yesterday me give you weed. This morning up in 1 o'clock me give you weed and just a while ago me give you weed. Brother, you're too greedy, brother. I'm paying for the man weed. Not laughing no bad man. Acha.
And keep it changed too, you know.
Oi! What is? You still owe me. What is?
So how much more you? How much more you then? How much more you?
See? I write it down and it say you Huga. You owe 12 grand and you give me 5, so that's 7 grand that. You know what? See boss here. I'm gonna need it.
What go on here?
There in a car park. Oh yeah, I have everything you know. Guess what? Kinda short, you see. But watch out now. Can tell you what one, you see, it's one youth, you see man. Me I tell you, say be a foolish, you see man going and go round.
Yeah, how much you have now? You hear me now, Ria?
Yeah.
You hear me now, Ria? You say if I never Ricky or your father, you must deal with it like one of them regret the outer road, you know. But here, you're one good girl, you know. So I know you're going to put your thing together still, because here one now. At first, I really come up short still, you know. I walk on that red board there when I see you sit down with, you know. Just walk on that red board there, you know. Because them board there, some boy love sit down and smoke weed, you know.
Yeah.
You see me? They love to sit down and smoke weed, but anyway, you're a place and I run it still, you know. Because you don't know, say, you know, and every one of them will really come up with their money same time still. So I'm not going to really pressure as when I say, first, you're really short. You see me? You're really short. So, as when I tell you, say, your father is a good man, you know. And it's good to we went out young too, so I'm not going to really make you feel in the bargain, you see me? But here, put your thing together, everything now, man, you see me? Mess up yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Yeah.
Oh, Rhea! Watch out, man. I met this a shot, this a trip, you know. So just, you know if you deal with it, and you just put the rest upon that, and you know, so it come down, you see me? Yeah, man, let's go and run the place, man. Right now, I have to call the boss and now. and deal with the boss, because you done there. You see me? You big up yourself here, man. You shout, you hear that? One thing.
Mama, forward now. You till you get back your money. Forward, man. You move like you don't want to forward, so.
Listen to me. I only deal with customers what pay me. Customers but take out them money set time when me take out the weed set time. You need to come off my sidewalk. You know see what I get brusky now. You want it? Get up, man.
You
and find something to do.
say, me go look something to do with my life. Me are your customer. You may buy weed from. Where you want the weed for your life?
I don't want you to feel like a style, me a style. Like a people things me I deal with, and me have to get out of it for food and for my education and for myself. Now, like you, with the and people things, and me have to use it for food. Me have to take out time for myself, for food, education, and myself. And I like you with the pants. And I like you when I work and do nothing. You need to get up and push yourself and try to something. Sit down on sidewalk is just a hobby. It's not a career, sir. Selling me never man. Say selling weed is a career either, but it's something me I do.
You can't tell me how to live my life. My life not affect you or nobody. You can't tell me how to live my life. I want to smoke weed. Sit down and I will have vibes every day.
You know what?
Here, I'll get the money. Just give me weed.
You alright where you there. Just let me get my money so we can get the people them. We can get my part.
What go on, Peter? Yeah, man. Watch out now. The thing that go short, you know. Yeah, man, cause watch out now. The little cat there when me have a hold it down. On the south block, yeah. Yeah, man, she come up short, man. Anyway, at first she ever come up to short still, you know. She good, man, a good girl, man. We don't have to bump her off or nothing general. She good, me I tell you, she good, man. You hear me I say no Peter, man, she good. When me I tell you, she good, she good. A long time she run this to me, you know, man.
Right, Miss Cross. Because I failed to pay 2 deadlines that have now passed, your student loan has now increased by 500,000 and you need to pay now.
I don't have that, you know. I don't have it.
Right, ma'am, but you do owe a loan and you need to...
Yes, I understand that. I understand that. So, yeah, yes, but that no means if we just raise it up, pa. Hello?
Listen me, I never that me call on you suffer still, you know. If people them show done too quick, so I don't need to explain on myself. And them
explain himself why the show so why the show so short. Listen, don't take it up with the car.
Good evening, people. You know, it's Donovan.
Yeah. Yeah.
So is this actress is the problem why you don't get a longer film on the...
Yes, my boss. I true.
The director.
She's shy, but listen, nothing going wrong with the director.
Okay, my general. Alright, my general.
Serve.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. Can I get 1 bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kissing the guy now. Lie. Which lie me just see you kissing the guy a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girls, you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you, I still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe something is really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why am I so bad looking, so? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes, what happened? Where come on people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a crisis me I pick up? Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? I don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. Because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? Because I'm cannot answer. Junior! Junior! I will Tony call my phone for all the idea. When I call my phone for? Hello. What you want, Tony? I'm not leaving you no way. I'm just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I'm not plan to let my yard today, no. Awa. What you really say to me? Alright. I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Tony!
Come on, Tyson now.
You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him.
What you said to me?
Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a co-man too. Me I feel say then I could have really have one idea. I could have really cast them missing thing.
Hold on there. Cause he rain come down, I'm lock up the window. Okay, but even good on the phone now. I tell you, say, if I did me in a few shows, you know, probably say me disrespect you, you know. See me right now, I'm not gonna mash up the girl.
Honey, don't know about that with that right now. Me understand what you're saying, you know. Tell me what really go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carry it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So, on the way walking come home, you know, say, do me see a girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue yet, so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Junior really called me today and let him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me all sort of foolishness. Okay, what are you? I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text me not answer. I holler down my throat told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight me and him fight? I don't go hungry with beer together, you know? You want me to tell me say?
Hush, man.
Junior really
Stop it crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Stop it crying, man. Everything got alright with them, man. Stop it crying.
Why Junior not do this to me?
I just so life set, man. Stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now, stop crying now. Stop crying, man. I'm wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure you keep out between me and your secret, you know. Coming on, nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But my wish you never have to go so early.
Yeah, I'm going to go cook some food here. We'll call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank. What do you mean a prank you did a prank me?
Wake up. Wake up. The get up, I need to spread up the bed. Because you play stay. You not to get up and, you know say something I gonna do. You lie down and sleep. Big and lazy for you go and go look up. Get up, man. You're too big and lazy. Get up, man. I want to spread up the bed. Get up now. Done. I want to spread up the bed. Sun hot, you lay down in here in a bed. You can't take them and sit here no more, you know. Get up. Excuse.
What time now? What time now?
I mean, the ask time because you're bigger, you don't know time. Sorry.
What my boot there?
Which shoes that you're asking about? I mean, help take care of your foot?
Alright, it's my boot there, man. Because you see, you have to take big song go on like say, it's an invitation to a conversation. You like how you deal with things, man. You go early like morning and you just come in and things. I'm tired, you know, man. Tired, man. No one just, yo, I hear me? Just do what you do, answer.
How you do something tired?
Don't worry about that. I tell you, just miserable some man. Yo, just look at your brown skin and it's something good you go and say, you know. That I think, you know. Why rough, I don't know. You're so busy somebody. Yo, I hear me? Just give me some time, answer. I wake up myself properly because early in the morning I have enough things to deal with. Oh boy. So wait, say food I start out food? You start out food already?
Where food there? You put food on table, you ask for food?
5 bills over there, sir. 5 bills can start out little tin mackerel. We have little pepper out the door. Yeah. 5 bills can start out 1 pound of flour and 1 tin mackerel. Have a good national dish. Tin mackerel. Saltfish. I don't know what's going on with it. Something wrong, but yeah, it's rough.
$500 can't buy nothing. You ask for food. You know say that you take me for? Tin mackerel. And you they come. Where you think about pepper? Pepper every day. Me no want you nothing about no pepper and no tin mackerel. No more day time as long as me live. Me tell you that it. You go feed me all the days of my life and tin mackerel.
Well, rough sometimes, some people, I'm grateful, listen, man. And people in Africa right now, they be grateful for your tin mackerel right now. Right now, tin mackerel me feel for. What you feel for?
Don't question me. You chat too much.
Chat can't too much, you never know about that.
You're lucky.
Mouth make you talk. I walk call you so early.
I'm a friend.
Yo, mama, I know say man probably there, but just go on like a one girl I call you.
What going goodie? What?
You see you, I say you going on, and be things are going on, you know. What you say now? We can't come check you later.
The phone did this. Yeah. Alright, call me back, yeah man. I'm going to check you.
Just let me know when the man is around.
Yeah, remember say we all go somewhere. I lie. God know? Hey? We can't wait to get it. Alright then. Alright.
What is best friend? Eh? I want to know who that best friend is.
You're going like you don't know my friend named Angelina.
Angelina?
I'm a friend Angelina. You know her. And she always see me with. Yeah.
I never hear talk about no Lena. No Angelina.
And the
Tangelina?
same girl you always see me with.
Girl?
Mm-hmm.
That you say? I want to see that best friend right now.
Angelina, you're going like you don't know her. Look how much you see her. You just don't know her name. But she name Angelina. Matter of fact, me a question about your friend them.
I want to see that best friend. It's alright, know yourself. But they're dark, must come a light. Angelina, you talk about. Crosses to wake me up so early for man. Go on, piss and that's about it. Let's go piss here, sir.
Babes, I want to you.
What do you mean want to do? You drop your head to come out and come sit. And come check me.
I lucky things
You're busy with your best friend, not true?
I lucky things that me did wake up you. If you're glad to wake you up, I lucky thing me wake you up because maybe you're that pissy then.
It's a cross history, right? And nobody send a cash back. Cross is this.
You see you? When you done you say me not care about you. But you know what me too concerned. Me hear like you drop outside like a while. Me no know what happened to you. But it sound like you fall down. Come hear something lick up out there. Me can't ask you why you go on like you want to insult me. Everything good man. Big up yourself.
Oh, yeah, tell me. Best friend?
Yo, mama.
But I don't want girl this.
No, girl. Angelina. Angelina. No. Hello.
That one, hey. I go, hey, how this? Angelina? Alright, boss. Alright. So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but me not no money, you know. Me can't owe you till next week. You know, trust?
What? You know the money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think that engine easy for run. Yeah, come time about the money if I not trust till next week. But you are going with. You better check yourself, yeah, sir.
Me have to put back this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, sir, and you know say you want your sort out. Saying, and you really come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes or $500. Alright, let me feed him.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500? No, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it for $500.
You think I bend down this? You think I feel it? If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So you better step away, son. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left it. Look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, sir. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face have some scam you have. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm going to have money and in 1 little time I have no money. You know what you give me? Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, eh? That work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. Business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A far me you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. I will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
me I'll give
who will get the benefit?
Come back. Just take your 5 bills. I'll give you some money when you come back.
Me can't wear my sachin?
Hey boy, no make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Yeah, wait, easy. You can't wear my sachin? You can't wear my sachin? When you go in my sachin shop and you say, wow, hing, hon. What am say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I don't understand the 5 bills thing and I go like you want to feed it. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I said, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take which 5 bills?
Business. Well, go on, baby, I have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
you can go on.
You hold your 5 bills. Come in, you can't do this. There's something wrong with you, Ron.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come so quick for my 10 grand, and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're an idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in an ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand. You think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you cock little, you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, cause your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. Come like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in the cash bag. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! No, sir. What kind of number that? No, sir.
Hello? Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good?
Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. In a cash pot.
One tick here. You know, bad girl in you, that's at 21 in you.
But, man prostitute. Yeah. I say I have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, a dream. Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to real something?
So, man, everything you make bad eye. You couldn't go on out, man. One little time you see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cuss and I go on the most way. And she, you know, say me nice with her. We just come out and say me I can take some cold please. You want your she go on, my youth? Eh? And that I go on. So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me. She a go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, man. When we come in, we just relax. Right. Differently, do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know, say, I look a thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. If you tell her, brother, yo, one, I look a thing, cause I really, yo. And when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, I win a piece of money in a yacht. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. Mr. China for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. You can hear that boy around there, so. Man, call me out and tell me a story about James. The woman I hold him down. All of them thing there. Yo, them boy, they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy, girl, I hold him down. I be man right there, them boy, the girl. So make him go on. And let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So I just go to the man. Rakes up. I give him rakes too, you know. But I don't know what going on for him. But rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just buy no but them and see it here, youth. You can't have money if it's spent. Wait that. How are you, youth? What? Oh, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. Just that. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, so I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move same way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it with the food. I deal with it. See me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
This an idiot boy are gone. Some can't bother you no man. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars. Call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have come look for you.
Yeah? So your man there?
Could idiot boy gone about him business. Yeah, might have come up here come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and forward.
Alright.
Chop. How you with this man? Yeah, man. Get it, man. I'm there, no man, you know, sir. He's a boss. I look there, I walk up and down like this. I don't know where they keep it. Now check it. Keep your money. Keep your money. Yeah. Keep your money. Keep your money. It was on the brand new pack, man. Brand new pack. I mean, you never let me sit here. Alright, say no more, yeah?
There.
Take care of you, man.
Boy, not going good.
You're not going good. When they?
No, no, ain't gone.
So, fast. Fast.
Hey. Hello? Somebody will call me phone and break up. Hello?
Angela, you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead and talk now.
Yes, Angela. Neither from the officer's business, but I'm looking here on your profile and I see you have some outstanding balance for us.
How much balance leave, sir?
I'm looking here on the loan and I see you have an outstanding balance of 150,000.
You sure say that correct? Because me come the last time me pay about 75,000. Me have me receipt.
But you are late. You are a couple weeks late.
So to become late, you no put interest on it.
Interest is going up by the day. We have a 5,000 day-to-day interest policy on.
Okay, sir, I will come in next week Tuesday.
Are you sure you'll be coming next week Tuesday? Because if this stay until Wednesday, because you have the loan officer who will be going out, the debt collector will be going out to collect the debts, and if you can, it would be recommended that you pay at least 45,000 right now, and then by Wednesday you can pay the rest.
Okay, sir.
Alright, Miss Angela?
Yes, sir.
Alright, have a wonderful evening.
You too. Me can't take the thief in loan place, you know.
Mommy, you really get yourself in that? What we are going to do now? Me have to go look and work or try to do something because I'm here from day one. Me and you alone, no father, no nothing. Where I go on for we? You know what to do, mommy?
I stress the people, them stress me out.
You know what to do? I'm going to help you out.
Where you go do?
I'm going to look at work in the aisle and try help you out.
Supermarket, that the money they now go work out. Me not think that, listen to me, my daughter. You don't know no little man. We and him there for a long time or so. To help out the situation.
Boy, mommy, I don't know that I go, you know. Because you know, say, them man nowadays, if you ask them for nothing, they want back something or them will kill me.
My daughter, calm down. A long time me I do road. What you say? You have one little man when you talk to?
Well, mommy, I have one little one skull me that my short, but a good while now me and him stop talk, but me know say he have money, he have things. But me don't know how much I get some money from him, you know.
Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Me have the perfect plan. You see the next time you call him, just tell him say you're pregnant.
How me I gotta do that? 4 months now, me and him stop talking. Every time we have sex, me use condom. So what me I gotta do, mommy?
Use your head, little girl. Tell him say the last time you and him have sex, the condom burst. But you did afraid to tell him. But right now, you suffer and you alone are struggle with it and you need help and you need to stand up as a daddy.
Why, mommy? Where you learn them this style from? You did bad. They look like you did bad.
You chat too much. Take up your phone and call the man. I call you if you call him, you did it. Call him, man.
I'm gonna call him right now.
What is that coming for? Hello?
Public. What happened? What do you mean who this?
Who this?
Amanda. Yeah. No, go on with nothing. Just a call if you tell her something. Nothing like that. You know I'm pregnant though. Okay, why father? What do you mean why father? Are you alone me have sex with?
Me? Oh, yo, eh. Remember say, when me and you do it,
well, I guess it burst or something in a long run. But me know I'm pregnant and I alone. I been asleep with. Yes, me will come link you. Yeah. Still sexy? Always. Alright. Public! Public!
but wait. My God. How you come in? You have a key or something?
The door was open and I made your new baby mother.
Come in, man. Come in. Make yourself at home. You know what I mean? Because you don't know say what for me I feel. Because, you know, you're my baby mother.
Touch man, me I feel pain, hot.
I feel pain? My God, I can't believe. I know, sir. Like you're there now, but I want to even water head because I always hear my brother them talk about them water, them baby mother head and all these things. And them the things that make the delivery. When you have a baby, you just come out right away. You want to come on, you have a safe delivery. So I have to go water head.
Yeah, go water it, but I have tonight.
I know easy at all. On a serious note still, 4 months. What take you so long to contact me? You sure it's for me, Pitney?
It's so unbelievable. Imagine me come and tell us me I feel pain.
And everything discomfort I kill me right now, me sitting here so. Right now, yeah, stress out all me. Yeah, stress out all the baby. Not one piece of KFC you could buy. Your baby want a piece of chicken, KFC, hot and spicy. So if you could have get that, I appreciate it.
Don't stress yourself, man. Don't stress yourself. KFC, you want, baby want KFC? If your baby want KFC, I get KFC. I get my 1-piece meal and I get you 1 2-piece meal. So, I don't want you stress out the baby. I get you a KFC here. I get you 3 piece?
Yeah.
3 piece, alright. Oh, what kind of drinks you want? You want
Pepsi.
Baby don't drink Pepsi. You can't drink Pepsi with the baby. I get a true juice, man. I get a juice here. Juice and water.
Can you get me a true juice?
True juice? I get some true juice. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, baby, it sound good. It sounds good.
Yeah.
Alright, so my son come back here.
Alright, B.
No, it's just what the baby not talk. You know what the baby hungry. Yeah?
Yeah. But mommy, thinking about it, how we belly a go? Because me tell him 4 months, you know. And the belly be show my belly flat like for me.
Don't worry yourself about it. May I come there, hold on. You see this? This can work miracle. Watch me. I'm going to show you how this thing work. We don't play with them. Watch how you look nice. You look like a young mother, my daughter.
Mommy!
If it you know? If it of you, man.
Mommy, you work for you, you know? Right now, KFC and go buy. Alright.
What? Tell her. Phone a burn up. What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Tagalong bad man, me not lie.
And you know if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will away there when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that man. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with you, girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me at the music?
I must say a long time, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Some know I say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me at the music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know, somebody link me at it. Yeah, cut.
Careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. See him too.
Come on. Peek out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand it talk bullshit. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong thing.
Cause she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So you're not going to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If we have money with that sponsor, I will have enough. But now I have money, I know. Oh, well, you can't check myself when I touch your road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
You take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's on
man.
the road and we just there, so.
Not true, with a musty house, Lily.
True school of way, man.
I don't lie. Free time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know, I feel like I'm going to give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said, come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute I talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now is college. Man can't stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man,
do you?
send me to college. Phone, man pay. Electrical apartment, yeah, man still help me pay that. When you're lonely, one you look start out in your pleasure. What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. Man, you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you going to do? You are going to need backup TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he say like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! May I come there? Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can get one. You know what I mean? We can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashish not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo.
Give me brother, what go on?
Look, one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you, man. I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on my wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other fast. Look, I'm going to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't move on it.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah, yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what going on. Cause phone battery all dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ringing on this so. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, boom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger because he lend me this and I know say no film charger. Because I never see me iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story, I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No man, nothing like that. I'm not hiding nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up. But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down here, yeah.
Make
You're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah, man, alright, just man, alright, just.
Oh. So, what you say I do, you do love yourself?
You know, say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So, hold on. What make when me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she shouldn't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
But,
I mean,
sorry, I
myself,
don't mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
She up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl.
She up in your yard? Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say you left her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for? What you plan for?
Why, brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl how me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell him and tell the story about it. I feel for y'all mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still there yard still, but connection, you don't know. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you are going to do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, how with me I going to do? So people still are getting married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I'm going to match up this now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zane. Alright, so if anything look more there, Zane. Let it go there, Zane, yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make nonsense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vex, and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make nonsense. Why this make nonsense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. Me know say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Because guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know, say, oh, you have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you wanna do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other
I know
thing.
say me wrong and everything, but me not have you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, and somebody come tell me, you know, and somebody come and miss you my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somebody. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now if put you out, you talk about shares. Share was the only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. But you have to do what you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess you know, you see a girl attack or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know say me all go around there too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.